opportunity wide. You see Limpere. He gets first to the ball. It's kind of a challenge in there. Not cleared properly. And it just falls to his feet, luckily, and he buries it, no problem. Dave Richards, save push. Luigi fakes it. Limpere, another save push. Still in. Luigi off the defender to Limpere, sizes it up. Crack, deflected, we're tied at 2. Another one from Limpere. It's the third attempt here. He comes in on his favorite left foot. Joel Limpere comes right off of Calvin Burley. You see here, there's the first attempt. You see the header from Bobby Burley. John Cork made 2 great saves prior to that. This one couldn't do anything about it.
Four-man the wall assembled. It's Larentowicz right foot. Knocked down by Montreal's Davy Arnaud. Segueras floats it right back into the area. Comes down to Limpere, thought about it, takes a deflection, back to the goal, Joel Limpere.
Big Red, and that man, Joel Limpere, the Estonian, a goal and an assist after 10 minutes. That's not bad, is it? Look at this from Larentowicz. No other options, takes on the man. Wonderful pace and trickery. A little nutmeg on Wooler. Fine delivery, and Limpere slides in and slots it away with ease. Past Willis. Impeccable start from the Chicago Fire. Great tempo to this game already.
Like helium, these hoes know I'm drilling them so when I hear
Near post ball, it's New York in front!
You know, he's already looking to get into a dangerous situation. The blind side of the defender to get the near post, a little touch that goes back post. A wonderful touch, but the positioning before the play even develops is really what makes this goal happen.
That and a nice move from Joe Limpert right there. This comes Joe Limpert looking for more.
Limpert's going to get there. He turns across it. How did he do that? The header. Shaking the hips. He scribbles his cross in. Dave Rosario down at this stage. Can they get out of this? Limpert drives into the box. Rogers is there. Hall makes another save. The good ball to Limpert drives it low. The value of
money and get advice. Ask for advice. Get money twice. I'm from the dirty, but that Chico nice. Y'all call it a moment, I call it life.
One day while the light is glowing, I'll be in my castle golden. But until the gates are open, I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment.
Miss Worldwide, Christina Aguilera. Oye mamita, dale, que la cosa está arriba. Reporting live from the tallest building in Tokyo. Long way from them hallways. It was O's and O's. They counted always. Real bad all day. Now, baby, we can
Garris win that aerial ball from Sunday Aussie. Joe Limpert trying to curl it in. Chris Rolfe one time. Fire. Lead 1-0. That's the way Joe Limpert.
Only difference is I own it. Now let's stop time and enjoy this moment.
We asked for character, we asked for fight, we asked for aggression, and we've seen it already inside 2 minutes here at Toyota Park. Has to be a big game from Joe Limpert, and he does what we haven't really seen him do all season. Takes someone on, gets the ball across, a wonderful delivery to the right boot of Chris Rolfe, and he took home his third goal of the season. A wonderful finish. As you said, Joe Willis is in no man's